Hi everybody, welcome to Prime for this evening. My name is Daedran. Kirk Franklin's attire ignites conversation on appropriate dress for performers at gospel events. That was a clip of multi-Grammy Award winner Kirk Franklin's performance at Fun in the Sun. It's the American songwriter and choir master's first performance in the island in 10 years and his third appearance at Fun in the Sun. Eager to make his return to the stage, he told the Sunday Gleaner that he just loves the idea of Jamaica and how it provides a space for lovers of Christ to express themselves in a beautiful and natural environment that doesn't exist anywhere else. The best performance of the night is how social media users described his set, but the reviews weren't all good as his attire sparked conversations online about whether or not it was appropriate. Members of the local music fraternity also weighed in.
In Jamaica, how we got feared and stayed together and love criticized and judgmental, they wouldn't have accepted any one of us dressed like Minister Franklin, casually clad to perform at a concert of such.
I don't find any issues with Mr. Franklin's attire, you understand? I don't think there's any reason for any big deal where that is concerned. Just wear what's comfortable and him go Jamaica, which is hot.
It is very arguably whether or not it is appropriate, his attire. It is more than arguable.
No big deal is how former executive chair of the Church of God in Jamaica and pastor at the Olson Memorial Church of God, Reverend Adenir Jones, described Kirk's attire for the event. He says based on the nature of the event, his outfit was appropriate.
Based on what I have seen, there was nothing obscene, nothing loose. There was no exposure of any private parts of his body. And so I would not want to come down hard on Kirk Franklin.
While some social media users have questioned the effectiveness of Kirk's ministry based on his dress code and performance, Rev Jones is of the view that this may have allowed him to tap into a newer market.
Maybe he was able to connect with a certain set of people in the community, in the society, who would not normally have stopped to listen to him, because his dress mode appeared more like their dress mode. And as I would want to say, I don't see anything that was spiritually erosive or corrosive about that. I didn't see any ethical, moral, or theological issue that I would use to make a judgment negatively about Franklin and his mode of dress and performance.
He says this may now provide an opportunity for event organizers to establish a dress code for performers where necessary. That's it for Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.